You cannot beat the algorithm, but you can trick the algorithm to growing your channel for you. I remember when I started my ever first channel on YouTube, I did everything right. I mean, everything right. But my views were stuck at 10, 30, and when it gets better, 50 at most. And do you know where I always get these views from? My grandmother, my grandparents, my parents, my siblings, my church members, my cousins, and my subscriber count was stuck at 300. Have you ever wondered why you see a content creator drops a video for the first time ever and that video trends? Why other content creators will be there for months, for years, and they have like 100 videos on their channel, some even have 200 videos, and yet they are not monetized and they are stuck with views like 50 views and 100 views? I refused to believe that this is just luck. You know, when some people see this kind of thing, they'll be like, oh, this content creator has a higher grace, it's just luck. I refused. And because I refused to believe that it was just luck or a higher grace, I had to dig deeper. And I found the secret that these content creators are using to influence the algorithm to keep growing their channel for them. And I'm going to share that with you today. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Please go down to the comment section and connect with every content creator you see right there. And this is how we connect on this channel. Watch at least 3 of their videos from the beginning till the end. You comment, and your comments should be related to the video you're watching. You like that video or all the videos you've watched, and you subscribe on that channel. These content creators, you do this with them, will also connect with you. And you can also join our channels, the WhatsApp channel, the Telegram channel, and the Instagram channel. These channels are made up of small content creators who are aggressive to grow. When you go to that channel, make sure you stand out and you connect with everyone. They will do the same for you. This is how we empower ourselves and form a community of like-minded content creators who desire to grow organically and to make at least $500 every month from their YouTube channel. That being said, let's go straight into how you can influence the algorithm to grow your channel for you. Now, you guys should listen very carefully. As we go on with this video, I want you guys to be very vigilant so that you can understand what will influence the algorithm to actually push your videos or always recommend your videos. The first question I want you to ask yourself is, what exactly can influence this almighty algorithm to keep recommending our videos? See, there are several different things that can actually influence the algorithm, but your audience is the main source behind this. So for YouTube to be able to recommend your videos, it all depends on your audience. Now, take a look at a chart like this. Let's take a closer look. Now, right here, let me zoom this a little bit. If you see a chart of videos like this or a combination of videos like this, the same niche and the same topic, which one are you going to click to watch? Now look at this with the viewer's eye. Don't look at it as if you're a creator. Look at it as if you're going to search something on YouTube on a particular topic, and then this amount of videos pop up to you. Which one are you going to click on? Now, I'm sure a lot of you have picked on a particular video. I don't know which one, but some of them have thumbnails while others don't. So one of the things that will actually influence the algorithm to keep recommending your videos is your thumbnail and your title. When you have a good thumbnail, it will actually influence people to click on it. And when people are clicking more on your videos, the algorithm will keep recommending your videos. But if your thumbnail pops up on a lot of different platforms and no one is clicking on it, then the algorithm is not going to be referring your videos or will not recommend your videos at all, or recommend your videos just a little bit. So, as a creator, make sure you have an outstanding thumbnail. It is very important. Some of you do not know how to design thumbnails. You can go to Upwork, to Fiverr, and get, designers who can design thumbnails for you that can stand out on YouTube, because it is your thumbnail that will actually influence an audience to click on it. And when the audience click on it, then YouTube will realize that a lot of audience are clicking on this video. They will start recommending that videos to other people. Now, when you are a small creator or a startup creator on YouTube, the algorithm recommends your videos. And this is how the algorithm is going to recommend your videos more. If the algorithm recommends your videos to 100 people, it expects that at least 10 of those 100 people should click and watch your videos. So if you have below 10 people amongst the 100 people, then the algorithm is going to refer or recommend your video in a very limited way. But if you have above 10 people amongst this 100 people the algorithm has recommended your video to, they click and watch your video, the algorithm is going to keep recommending your videos to more. So this is another thing that influences them. And it is also from where your audience, like I said, your audience is the main power source behind this. If YouTube recommends your video and realizes that very few people are interested, then it's going to slow down. But when more people are interested, it's going to increase the rate of its recommendation of your videos. Now, let's look at the chart again. Many popular videos are chosen up to 10 times in the first day. So it really matters how many of them and what speed do they actually use in watching these videos. So this is one of the things that will influence the algorithm to keep recommending your videos. The lesser they view, the lesser the algorithm recommend your videos. The more they view, the more the algorithm recommends your videos. Now, let us go to the third thing that actually influences this algorithm to grow your channel for you. Let's say, for example, the first thing, viewers have clicked on the thumbnail. The second thing, they are watching, above 10 are actually watching the video. The third thing is, how many of them keep watching the video and how long do they watch that video? That is what we call the watch time, right? How long do these people watch your video? They have clicked on the thumbnail, they are watching the video, and how long are they in for? Did they watch the video just for a second and popped out? Did they watch it for 2 seconds and popped out? Did they watch it for 10 minutes, for 12 minutes, for 3 minutes? All these things will influence the algorithm to keep recommending your videos. Now, see, if you have people watching and they click out after a second, then the algorithm will stop recommending your videos to a lot of people. But if the audience that actually click are watching the video and watching for a longer time, the algorithm is going to multiply the energy of recommending your videos. So on this channel, it is indicating that the audience on this channel watched this video for like 3 minutes 20 seconds, while on the average people actually watch 12 minutes video for at least 6.10 minutes, which means that this particular channel will not be recommended as most channels on this niche. But if this channel was actually having its watch time to about 6.10, then the algorithm will keep recommending this video to more people. So the longer people watch, or the longer your audience watch, the more the algorithm will actually recommend your videos to more people. So we have 3 things that will actually influence the algorithm to keep recommending your videos. And the first one is your thumbnail and the title. The second one is the amount of people who actually click on the video when the algorithm recommends it. And the third one is how long this audience watch the video. If you manage to handle these 3 things on your channel, you'll be marveled at how the algorithm will just pick up your video, and in the next 1 week you realize you've had 100,000 views on that video. Because the more the algorithm recommends your video, the more people are watching your videos. So For those of you creators who don't know how to design a thumbnail, you can actually go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and you pay designers to design great thumbnails for you so you can stand out. Because your recommendation will begin from thumbnail before thinking about how many people, before how long they watched it. So someone must like your thumbnail and your title before clicking in. And if you don't have money to pay these designers to design thumbnails for you, then you can join me on my online teaching on how you can design a thumbnail. And it doesn't take you a lot. All it takes you is your data, your time. Right now, the course is totally free and it's on my second channel. I'm going to drop the link below here. You can join us on our live streams. We actually do these trainings on our live stream, so you can take your time, join us right now. It is totally free. It's just for you to get your time and your data, and you're going to learn that. That will help you a lot to be able to design thumbnails. You can even use that as a side hustle for yourself. The link is below there. The Canva link also is below there. You can go there, click on them if you so desire. I love you all. Please do not give up on your YouTube channel. If you're facing any problems, any worry, just let me know on the comment section and I'll be right there to respond to you, maybe on our live streams. When you're coming on our live streams, prepare your questions so that I'll be able to help you on that. Now all these things are free. Don't wait until when it has become monetized before you start rushing. Join us on all our community and make sure you connect with every content creator, because these are the people that are going to help you to grow massively. I love you all. Until next time.